Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Tulips, which are my favourite flower. So let's get started. Supplies you're going to need is your thick Whisper White card base. And this is a standard A6 card base, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then you're going to need some scraps of Whisper White and Old Olive. And then you're going to need a piece of Real Red. This is our 6x6 family stack, and this measures what does this measure? Let me have a look. 7.6 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters. Okay, so let's bring back our scrap of Whisper White, and the stamp set we're going to be using is this one called Winds of Change, and I've used it before. I've used this image before, but we're going to be using this one of the tulips today. And I'm going to be stamping a memento because I'm going to colour it in with blends. So let's just ink up our stamp nicely. I think my memento needs to be re-inked, but we can make it work. There we go. I think that'll do, sort of. And then just going to stamp it down. So we've got our tulips stamped, so now we're going to colour it in with our blends, and I'm just going to zoom you in so you can see a bit better. The blends I'm going to use today are the Real Red Light and Dark and the Old Olive Light and Dark. So I'm just going to colour this in, and I'll put you on fast forward for the colouring process. Okay, so there's our tulips coloured in. So now I'm going to cut them out using our rectangle stitched framelits. Okay, and I'm going to be using this one to cut out our piece of our daffodils, our tulips. And let me see what size I used for. No, what's the next one up? For our Old Olive. Yep, and I used that one for the Old Olive. So I'm just going to put all of this through my big shot, and then I'll be back. So we've got our pieces cut out. So now I'm going to wrap around this just some of our cotton Real Red ribbons. So I'm just going to measure out a little bit like that. Okay, and actually let me put all of that aside first. Let me put this piece down. So this is our Real Red DSP. So you can use whichever side you want. I personally like the script, so that's what I'm going to use. Make sure you've got it the right way up, because you don't want your writing upside down. And stick that down. Now on the back of our Old Olive I'm going to put some of this snail, and then I'm going to just wrap our piece of ribbon around the centre like that, and then I'm going to stick that down on our card. And then I didn't pop this one up, did I? No, I popped up our piece of Old Olive on this one. This time I'm going to pop up our piece of tulips themselves. So let's put a few dimensionals here. There we go, one at the bottom there. And get rid of all these backs. Sometimes this is the most difficult bit, is getting the backs off the dimensionals. Okay, get rid of them. I've got them all, so that's good. And then I'm just going to put this in the middle of our centered left and right and up and down, the middle of our old olive, and there we go. Job done. So they're the two cards. I hope you enjoyed making them. I did. Thank you so much for watching. If you want any information about this project, all the measurements, etc., it'll be on the blog post that goes with it, and that'll be on my website. And the link is in the description box below, along with all my social media links and the link to my new Facebook group. So thank you again for watching, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!